In 2025, AI is not just smart, it can earn money for you even while you sleep. People are using simple tools to build passive income streams with zero tech skills. Like the video and subscribe so you do not miss your chance to automate your earnings. Today, I will show you how to set up AI systems that work for you 24 hours a day. Let us begin and turn technology into true financial freedom. 1. Understand AI for passive income. AI automates tasks like writing, designing, and selling digital products globally equals. In 2025, AI platforms make passive income opportunities easier to access than ever. Start small, experiment with tools, and build scalable projects over time gradually. The goal is to replace labor with systems that multiply your skills automatically. Smart strategies allow you to focus on growth while AI handles repetitive processes. True passive income comes from building systems, not chasing quick overnight hacks. 2. Create AI-generated digital products. AI can help you design ebooks, templates, and guides people want to buy repeatedly. Once uploaded, products sell 24/7 on marketplaces without constant updates from you. Research trending topics so you create assets that meet real demand and sell faster. Use AI to generate professional covers, layouts, and compelling product descriptions. Bundling products increases value and encourages higher sales with little extra effort. Promote products using AI-generated ads, emails, and social media posts automatically. Digital assets compound in value because they require work only once to keep earning. This strategy turns creativity into a storefront that runs while you sleep peacefully. Over time, your product library becomes a growing engine for long-term financial freedom. 3. Automate faceless YouTube channels. AI writes scripts, narrates voiceovers, and edits videos for you to publish consistently. Choose evergreen niches like finance, tech, or travel to generate lasting ad revenue. Monetization grows through ads, affiliates, and sponsorships as your audience builds. Batch create videos so your channel uploads automatically even when you are offline. One viral video can produce income for months, even years, with zero extra effort. AI tools optimize titles, descriptions, and tags to boost rankings and reach more viewers. Running multiple faceless channels diversifies your streams and grows passive earnings. Content created today keeps generating income long after the work has been completed. A well-managed channel becomes a digital asset that pays you daily while you rest. 4. Build AI-powered e-commerce stores. AI helps design product descriptions, run ads, and automate customer support easily. Sell print-on-demand or dropshipping products without ever holding physical inventory. Market research tools powered by AI find trends and winning products with high demand. Integrate AI chatbots to handle queries so your store functions even when you are away. Once set, orders fulfill automatically, making your store a self-running profit machine. Scaling is easy as AI enables launching new products without hiring large teams. Combine AI ad campaigns with social content for a steady stream of targeted buyers. Revenue grows as your systems work together while you focus on strategy, not tasks. An AI-driven store gives you freedom by turning technology into a 24/7 sales engine. 5. Launch AI-powered online courses. Use AI to create structured lessons, scripts, and quizzes for a valuable digital course. Pick a topic you know or research trending skills people are eager to learn in 2025. Host on platforms like Udemy or your own site to control pricing and revenue better. Add AI-generated workbooks, templates, and guides to boost course appeal instantly. Promote courses with AI-generated sales pages, email funnels, and social campaigns. One well-marketed course can sell repeatedly, providing years of semi-passive income. Expand by offering coaching or memberships built around your original AI-powered course. Education is growing fast, and AI lets you create content faster without sacrificing quality. This strategy blends expertise with automation, building authority while earning daily. 6. Sell AI prompt libraries. Businesses need optimized prompts for customer service, marketing, and creative tasks. AI helps you design prompt collections that deliver consistent results across industries. Offer custom prompt services to companies or sell pre-built libraries to freelancers. Bundle prompts with guides or tutorials to add value and command higher prices. Create a subscription model so clients pay monthly for fresh, updated prompt packs. Promote libraries through AI-generated ads targeting professionals in growing markets. Advanced prompt engineers are already charging thousands for specialized solutions. As AI adoption grows, demand for high-quality prompts becomes a major opportunity. This is a low-cost business with high margins and scalable global earning potential. 7. Start AI-driven newsletters. AI can research, write, and edit niche newsletters that attract loyal paying readers. Pick a growing niche like investing, productivity, or tech trends to build credibility. Offer free editions to grow your audience, then launch premium paid subscriptions. Use AI to segment audiences and personalize content for better engagement rates. Monetize through affiliate links, sponsored posts, and digital products alongside content. Newsletter automation ensures consistent publishing without constant manual effort. With just a few thousand subscribers, you can generate significant monthly revenue. Over time, your newsletter becomes an authority brand and a valuable business asset. This model builds recurring income and positions you as a thought leader in your space. 8. Monetize AI stock media. AI generates music, images, and video clips that you can license on stock media sites. High-demand assets like backgrounds, soundtracks, and templates sell for years online. Batch create media packs so buyers get more value while you scale sales efficiently. Research what creators and businesses are currently searching for to meet their needs. Promote your stock assets using AI-generated portfolios and targeted ad campaigns. Once uploaded, media sells passively while you create more to expand your catalog. Combining multiple platforms increases exposure and diversifies income sources. This strategy turns creativity into a library of assets that work like digital property. The more content you produce, the faster your stock library compounds into big revenue. 9. Build AI-enhanced membership sites. Create communities around exclusive AI-generated content, guides, and resources. Offer tiers of membership so subscribers access higher value material as they upgrade. Use AI to automate content updates, discussions, and personalized learning experiences. Add perks like Live Key and adds AI tool tutorials and templates to keep members engaged. Promote your membership site using AI-driven marketing campaigns and sales funnels. 10. Build a personal ad brand. Leverage AI to create consistent content that showcases your expertise across platforms. Post case studies, tutorials, and insights to position yourself as a leader in the AI space. Monetize through coaching, affiliate deals, and sponsorships aligned with your audience. Offer exclusive AI training programs and consulting services for higher ticket earnings. AI tools can plan your content strategy and keep posts engaging without extra effort. As your brand grows, opportunities for collaborations and joint ventures expand fast. A strong personal brand creates a multiplier effect across all your passive income models. This approach turns AI knowledge into influence, authority, and scalable wealth streams. Ultimately, your brand becomes an engine for growth that thrives while you sleep daily. Now you know how to make passive income with AI, and let it work while you rest. If this gave you new ideas, hit like and subscribe for more strategies to earn smarter. Drop a comment and share which AI method you want to try or ask your questions below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more ways to use technology to create lasting income and freedom.